Hello, in this video I'm going to show you some of the things you can do when you first start building your site with RentalSetup. First thing I'm going to do is customize the header or the nav bar. By default, the subdomain you got when you signed up will be used as the logo. You can change that text to whatever text you want, and also you can add an image. I'll get to that later. I enter in the new text logo and refresh the page, and you can see that the logo text was updated. Now here I'll change the logo. Now here I'll add an image as the logo. I can also add a favicon that shows a logo in the tab of the browser. Now I'm going to change the color of the nav bar. I'm going to change it to gray. But I changed my mind and I will change it to blue now. Next thing I'm going to do is put information in the footer. The footer helps your customers and search engines find out more information about your site. The footer is going to be available on all your public pages. Oh, and by the way, you can also add in custom links to the header. You can see I'm on the footer setting page, adding in custom text that will appear in the footer. Now I'll attach zip codes that will appear in the footer to give users the idea of what zip codes you serve. We also offer a feature that can automatically decline jobs if the user didn't enter an address that's in the deliverable zip codes that you entered. You can use that feature if you do deliveries. You also have the option to provide delivery or pickup service for your customers. Now I'll enter an email address that will appear in the footer. You can also add in custom links in the footer. Now I'll reload the page and you can see the information is in the footer. Now I'm going to show you a quick demo about creating your first product. I enter in the information like name and description. I have the option of entering a category for the product. Categories help your customers find related products. I'm calling this products category dinnerware. Now I'm going to add an image. Keep in mind you can add multiple images and YouTube videos on the product page. Now I'll add rich text where I can customize the color and size of the text. I can make a list to show which features or products using the rich text editor. You can be creative. I include the price of the product. I click submit and you can see that the product page is up right away. This is the product page. You can see the scheduling form and the contact input fields for the customer. I'm going to quickly run through the job creation. Users can leave a note or a message for you. You can make the customer input fields mandatory or not. Once the customer creates the job, you will receive an email. This is the page the customer sees after they place the job. But for this instance, you don't see the sign up form because I'm already signed in. When a customer creates an account, after they create the job, they will be able to view their previous orders. Now I'm going to the jobs list page where I can see the list of jobs. If I click the open menu button, I will be able to make changes to the job. Some of the changes I can make are like editing the address or editing the time of the job. If you get the version of the app that's not free, you will be able to manage payments for the job, like giving refunds or charging tips. Now I'll go to the products list page where I can see all the products created. Now I'll go to the page of the product I just created. Notice that the category is dinnerware. Now I'll create another product for dinnerware so you can see 2 products under the category dinnerware. This way you can organize your products and have an easy way for your customers to find your products. And there's more options to making it easy for your customers to find products. If you have any questions, don't forget to email me at jack@rentalsetup.com. Notice that this product is a fork, and I started creating this product under the large quantity style. This allows me to set up a price discount table. I enter in some rich text. Now I'm going to quickly mention about the sidebar. As you can see, you can add a liability waiver, which is a PDF that the customer has to sign on the product page. You can set that up if you want to. You can request a video if you want to learn more about how the PDF waiver works. Now I will click on the create the product, and then I'll go to the product page. Notice how I can enter in the quantity of the forks I want. Now I click on the category dinner at the top of the page, and now you can see that the 2 products are there under the category dinnerware.